Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today's content will be the unboxing of this Kyowa stand mixer model KW-4510. So if this is something you might be interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and click the notification bell. When I was still learning how to bake, I bought the cheapest hand mixer I can get. Now that I make a few pastries and bread on my own, I decided to kinda invest for a stand mixer. One that is affordable but durable and can cut half the job of manual mixing. So when Lazada held one of its sale, I bought this for 5,478 pesos with a 215 pesos shipping cost. It was originally priced at 7,000 pesos. Last time I checked, the seller has a lower price than when I bought it. Okay, now let's explore how to operate it. To tilt the head of the mixer, twist the tilt control knob clockwise. To attach the accessories, position it in the shaft, then push upward and twist counterclockwise to lock, clockwise to unlock. To put back the head of the mixer in its original position, push the mixer head downward while pressing the tilt control knob rightward, then release the knob to lock it. To detach the bowl, twist clockwise to unlock. To attach the bowl to the mixer, position the bowl in the mounting base, then twist counterclockwise to lock. For the features of this product, it has a tilt back head design for easier access to the bowl, a tilt control knob to maneuver the mixer head, six-speed setting with pulse blending control for different mixing functions, 5-liter stainless steel bowl capacity, a mounting base for bowl which is designed to fit the mixer and lock in place while mixing, power cord, 600 watts high-powered motor which is housed in a plastic frame. Comes with 3 accessories which provides mixing versatility from wet to dry ingredients. The flat beater is ideal for blending mixtures that has normal to heavy consistency. The wire whisk is for mixing eggs, creating meringue, whipping creams, or mixtures that needs air, while the dough hook is for kneading thick batter and dough. Lastly, a non-slip suction pad for base lock design. Now I will be using this stand mixer to check if it operates and test its performance if it is worth the price. Inside the bowl, I have a mixture of egg whites and sugar. I will be using the wire whisk to blend the mixture. Also, I placed the speed setting at maximum, and in about 10 minutes, I was able to achieve the medium peak volume I needed for baking. Next, let's see how's the consistency of the dough that will be kneaded using the dough mixing hook. So while the dough is kneading, here is my honest opinion on this product. I like that it has a minimal design. The silver gray color is not bad too since it goes along with most of our kitchen appliances, but if there is color white among the color selection, I would rather choose that since it is easier to clean. You can easily see the dirt that way. The mixing bowl is deep enough to avoid splashing when mixing and can accommodate a huge amount of mixture. Its 6-speed setting makes kneading dough more evenly and mixing batter finer. The base lock design is also a plus since it helps the stand mixer to withstand shaking or moving when mixing. In comparison to the high-end brands, its accessories may not be flawlessly made, but for practical reason, cost efficiency and performance-wise, it does the job. Saves you time and energy as well. Based on the performance test, the volume of thickness of the mixture is achieved in just a few minutes and the quality of the dough produced is soft and smooth in texture. If you have questions regarding this product, let us know in the comment below. Also, share this video to your friends and family who are canvassing in buying a stand mixer. But before you leave guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel. Also, please consider subscribing. We'll continue to share videos as we can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.